Hey loves, and welcome back. So we're going to be doing another unboxing as well as try on install, and today we're working with CurlyMe hair. This one is their pre-style curly glueless wig, and this is what it looks like. This is a 6x4 closure, and this is what the closure looks like. Now looking at this closure up close, it is not pre-bleached because I can still see the knots. The knots are still very visible. We're gonna make this work. It does come pre-plucked as well as pre-styled and pre-cut as well. So the lace comes pre-cut, and this is what it looks like. I'll leave all the links down below in the description box so you guys can check out all the details regarding this unit. But I just want to put this on to get like the first impression install, to see what this looks like for anyone who is interested. Again, this is what you get when you order for this wig. I know a lot of people complain about brands, you know, when you order for wig you get a different one compared to the ones that is sent influencers, content creators. You do get the same unit. I just wanted to make that clear, and this is what this one looks like. I'm going to just take this off. It does come with the tag. We don't need this anymore. I'm going to make sure to adjust the band. It does come with an elastic band as well for that added security and comfort as well. There are no combs in here, just so we know. Just want to be sure there are no combs in here, so do bear that in mind. Personally, I love having a comb at the back, just right here, so that way I can tuck that into my hair. That way I know that it is secure at the back as well. So yeah, just so you know, that is that. You can also add your combs if you want that, but I want to see how this feels straight out of the box and how this looks without all of that. I'm just going to put this on my hair. Okay, so usually I like to really tighten I like to really tighten the hair, the wig, so that way it is snug and that way it is glueless, if that makes sense. So now it is really snug on my head. I don't know if you guys can see. You can probably hardly even see the lace. Wait, let me move up close so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what the lace closure is looking like right now. I just wanted you guys to see it up close. This is what this wig looks like just straight out of the box. I'm yet to style it. I don't know what look I want to go for. If I want to comb it out or leave it as it is, and if I want to, I don't know what I want to do to it yet, but let's just go with the flow. So I'm gonna just unravel this. Let me just unravel this because I feel like it's personally too curly for me, and see what we have going on. The front pieces here are a bit too curly for me. I'm gonna just unravel this just a little bit. Okay, so we're just gonna make this work. Let me just finger comb this. First things first, I feel like I want to match this lace to my skin, to my forehead, and to do that I'm going to be using my contour shade. So I'm just going to be using a brown powder, typically what I would use to contour my forehead. This one works. Take that, dab that, and just apply that right here, just so it blends into my forehead a little bit, like so. Now I am seeing the knots, which is not a problem because I'm loving how this lace blends into my skin without doing a lot of work, and this is in 4K, so you will see all the details that there is. So I'm going ahead to just melt this down further, and just a little bit. Also, what I did was to use a bit of my concealer and brush, and I just went with that a little bit on this part right here, just to help define the part and to hide the knot, so that way it looks natural, like it is my scalp, like so. So I'm gonna be using this leave-in conditioner, right? I feel like I don't know if I want to wet my hair or leave it as it is, but I'm gonna just try combing it out. I went ahead to just dampen my hair over water, just a little bit of water, just to dampen the hair and to help like finger comb it, but to also define and release the curls, so that way it is more defined. The good thing about curly hair is that it doesn't need a lot of work. You just a little bit of water to revive the curls, maybe some serum, maybe some leave-in conditioner, and you're good to go. I'm going to be using some serum just for shine. I'm just going to put this on my hair, especially on the front side, and just run it through. So this is what the hair is looking like. This is the length of the hair. When you dampen it a little bit with water, I feel like it does, you get a little bit of length, which is expected because the curls kind of like drops down. So this is what it is looking like. I'm contemplating on whether or not I want to like cut the hair to kind of define it a little bit. I'm going to be leaving it as is. So we can see that this is 100% glueless. I didn't use any glue or any product to hold it down, but it is snug on my head. It is definitely not going anywhere. You guys can probably see that the lace has melted into my skin. Again, this is 4K, so if there are going to be any flaws, you will see it in, and you will see all the details. So this is what the hair looks like. This is what the volume looks like. This is about 250% density, and this is the length of the hair. But like I said, this is gonna be like an unboxing and install, first impression, just look of it. So this is a finished look. This is the amount of volume you get with this unit. And again, this hair is from CurlyMe hair. This is a 250% density. It is their finger curly glueless wig, and this is what it looks like. You can absolutely style this hair however you please. This is a 6x4 closure wig, so you do have a lot of parting space up front here, so you can take this to the side and do a side part. You can do like a half up half down style situation going on, but I just wanted you guys to see what the hair looks like in its natural form. You can do a side part, center part, however you want to style it. My only concern with this is that I do wish this was a 6x6 closure, so that way I can literally go down and have more freedom when it comes to styling. And also I wish we had a comb at the back, but like I said, you can definitely customize your wigs however you want to customize it. I love that it's full. I feel like it would even look better once I cut it. I feel like if I get like a shorter length, it would look so gorgeous, like this length. But I don't want to play around with that right now because I do want you guys to see the full length and the full details of this. But like I said, all the details about this hair would be in the description box. Be sure to check it out if you are interested, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay blessed and you stay fabulous.